Good morning, everyone, and welcome back on this very cold Wednesday morning. 0 degrees right now in Helena, and the high today likely will not get above single digits, but a much different story in Great Falls right now. 32 degrees. There's some Chinook winds keeping things a little bit warmer out across the eastern plains of Montana in certain areas, but down in the valleys, especially the Helena and the Bozeman valleys, very extremely strong inversions, and that's trapping all that cold air and also creating some air quality issues. Right now, the air quality in Helena is unhealthy, and it has been since overnight last night. We were unhealthy for sensitive groups, and then it got worse overnight, and many other places across western Montana in moderate air quality today. And as the inversions continue this week, that will get worse, or certainly won't get better as the week goes on, until the weekend, when we're expecting a little bit of a disturbance to kind of break that up a little bit. Right now, looking at the radar, a small snow event going on in western and central Montana, and that is just going to be a very light dusting of snow, not really anything more than a trace amount, and mainly up in the higher elevations. So not any real issues with snow today. And across the country, there is a little bit of snowfall in the Midwest and even some down here in the southeastern United States, some severe weather down in Florida. And we don't have any watches or warnings in Montana at the moment, which is a little bit strange. It feels like for the last week or so, there's been a new watch or a warning or advisory every single day, but across the United States, still a fog or a wind chill advisory in parts of the Midwest and a freeze advisory down in the Gulf of Mexico. We are stuck in this same pattern of the cold Arctic air, and this high is situated over us in Montana here, and that's keeping the valleys inverted and the cold air from getting out of the valleys. So we're going to see that pattern continue until this weekend, when we'll see maybe some snow. Today, temperatures in the 30s, especially in the eastern part of the state, with some Chinook winds occurring, but down near the capital in the valleys, much lower than 27 today due to those inversions. Looking at the next 7 days in Great Falls, temperatures are going to be a lot nicer, in the 40s today. Nice mild temperatures, and still the potential for some snow this weekend, but that's going to be a very light event. In the capital city, though, temperatures are going to be much colder through the week until Friday. We'll have a little bit of snow and rain come in on Saturday and Sunday, but that will warm things up for us next week. It'll be a little more comfortable.
We'll look forward to that. Inversions aren't always that very much fun.
Yeah.
Katie, thanks.